And finally, we're going to cover E, the communication skills. So E1, signal. To be successful, use your turn signal to let people know you're planning to turn, change lanes, pull out or pull over, right? So pretty much before you move that steering wheel, you need to let people know what you intend to do with your vehicle. So if you forget a signal, it gets marked as E1. E2, timing of your signal. So signal well ahead of the intended action to provide plenty of warning, but not so far ahead as to confuse other road users. So generally speaking, somewhere between 5 to 10 seconds before your maneuver, if you let people know, it's good. But if you're driving for a block and you're just signaling because you're going to be turning right 2 blocks from now, then that's just too far, right? Or if there's a whole bunch of driveways before the next intersection and you're signaling way too far in advance, it can be confusing as well. So within reason, you want to let people know in advance. I would say about 5 seconds before your maneuver is usually sufficient. E3, another one that's common, cancel your signal after you've completed the maneuver. So don't keep driving after you've done the lane change with your signal still flashing away, because then it gets confusing for the other road users. Hey, are they planning on turning again, or are they going somewhere else? I don't know, because they didn't cancel their signal. E4, other. So this is for any other communication errors not listed in this section. So this might pertain to, for example, directing traffic with your hands and saying, hey, come on through, or oh, thanks. So no hand waving at other drivers. And generally speaking, we don't accept other people's waves. So we drive according to the rules of the road. Whenever it is our right of way, we take it. Whenever right of way is given to us correctly, we'll take it.